Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening File Explorer on your Windows laptop. Press the Windows key and type File Explorer, then press Enter to open it. Click the search box in the top right corner of the Explorer window to activate search. Type ext, XLSX or ext, XLS to list Excel files. Add date modified, this week or size, 1 MB to refine results. Right-click any file and choose Open File Location to view its folder. You can search from the taskbar by pressing the Windows key and typing immediately. Enter the workbook name, keywords, or ext, XLSX to search your entire laptop. Use quotes around phrases like annual budget for exact matches. Click the Documents filter to focus on files only. Right-click a result and select Open File Location to confirm the correct folder and file. On a Mac, start with Spotlight by pressing Command plus space and typing your query. Enter the file name or XLSX to surface Excel workbooks quickly. For advanced search, open Finder and press Command plus F to start a Finder search. Choose Kind as Document and add a name contains XLSX rule for precise results. Use the Date Modified column to find recent files and reveal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.